Yeah.
See, like that's nice. I would do that. This is actually
We about to go in. Ali about to go in. Ali got the pastrami. I got grilled ham with brie. It's looking delicious. Got the brie and ham right here. So we're going on a canal ride right now. Spontaneous, out of nowhere. This is the first time.
we're all the way in the back.
Smoke boat. Cool. I didn't know they had that.
Und im Balkon und Delano-Säulen ist die Aktion des
Next up on the list, the carousel. This is Ali's recommendation here, so here we go.
Door werkzaamheden rijden er minder treinen tussen Schiphol Airport en Amsterdam-Zuid. Herhaling.
Gotta end the night with some McFlurries. Well, we're not even ending the night yet.
Actually, just
So we're starting the night with McFlurries. Just left the red light district. Had to try out the McFlurries out here. Had to try the McFlurries compared to Canadian McFlurries. Ali got a special celebrations one. I got the Maltesers. I don't think they have that in Toronto, right?
They don't have much Caesar.
So yeah, these are 2 new flavors we're about to try.
They even have a
Can't wait.
thing where you can like mix your own.
Oh yeah, you could even mix your own McFlurry. That's another thing I don't think you can do in Toronto. So yeah, man, they got some options out here.